Welcome to Sri Chaitanya High School, located at Electronic Complex, Kushaiguda, ECIL. The world today is a global village and people are its citizens. As boundaries of location, people and time cease to exist. It is of utmost importance that we move with the times. At Sri Chaitanya, we have created a unique blend of world-class curricula, contemporary teaching methodologies, and equal focus on intellectual, physical, and personality development, resulting future leaders who are ready to take on. From boosting their confidence to making them learn the importance of teamwork and socialization, schools do it all. We at Sri Chaitanya continually strive to provide the best facilities to our students. With our best robust offerings, we cover all the aspects that can help make students' life comfortable and productive. The school is arranged in L shape, covering an area of 34,741 square feet. In the center, there is a wide open playground exclusively used for sports, games, and other outdoor activities. We have a play area for the tiny tots arranged in a sand pit provided with play items like swing, slide, seesaw, etc. When you arrive at the entrance of our school, all the visitors and faculty are given a warm welcome by our security. He also ensures unauthorized entry by any personnel. Health and hygiene is our top priority, and hence all the safety measures are taken during COVID-19 pandemic. Every visitor or faculty member has to get themselves checked and sanitize their hands before entering the school premises. We have even arranged few awareness posters for our visitors. Moving on to the parking area, the second entrance from where the student dispersal is carried out. We pay close attention to the travel safety of our students. With the fleet of buses with 40 seats each, we ensure every student gets comfortable seating during their journey. Our buses meet all the required government regulation standards and have well-trained drivers who take care of pickups and drops on the assigned routes. We also have bus attendants who look after the students and take care of seating arrangements.
Sri Chaitanya High School, located at ECIL, is a CBSE affiliated school, and it is under the group of Sri Chaitanya Educational Institutions. Sri Chaitanya Group of Educational Institutions have been accepted in the year 1986 with our honorable directors Dr. B.S. Rao and Dr. Jhansi Lakshmipal. At a later stage, so his daughters, Mrs. Seema and Mrs. Sushma Bokana have taken the lead and developed the schools across the country. We at Sri Chaitanya follow a holistic development for our children, and we look into the overall development of the students. So at Sri Chaitanya, we follow CBSE curriculum as main course. We also engage students in other co-curricular activities so that they become successful individuals when they grow up.
To ensure a smooth and uninterrupted functioning during school hours, a power genset has been installed. No denying how significant a school is in shaping up a student's personality and holistic learning process. The school infrastructure is a key element in a child's academic as well as holistic growth. Sri Chaitanya boasts some of the best academic facilities to give its students the utmost support to learn in the best way possible. We have taken every care that the latest technology is being used to provide students with real-life experience. Some of the facilities which the school has implemented to make learning an interesting experience are spacious and well-ventilated smart classrooms, library, well-equipped science labs, ICT lab, facilities like study tables, chairs, furniture and best utilities such as water, electricity, game equipment, assembly area and well-maintained sanitation facilities. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Well-equipped library housing is a wealth of informative books and interesting video facilities coupled with a motivating or mood-lifting ambience not only attracts students but also develops a liking to study. Our library has an expansive collection of books that suit the reading levels of different age groups. The in-house library also subscribes to leading national dailies and journals. We also have an audio and video collection that can be used to augment classroom learning. Our well-equipped labs are a testament to our belief in learning by doing. From practical experiments to other activities, these labs promote an activity-based approach to make learning more stimulating. In the chemistry lab, students are expected to indulge in a creative interplay of observation, experimentation, and theoretical inferences. Students are trained to use scientific instruments, make observations, interpret, and draw conclusions from observed facts. As per the guidelines of CBSE curriculum, even the most basic techniques and procedures like inorganic and organic analysis, both qualitative and quantitative, are dealt in an enthusiastic and efficient manner.
Children, so today I would like to show you a demonstration on double displacement reaction.
This laboratory is well equipped to conduct experiments as per the syllabi of CBSE. Students have facilities to perform experiments, to measure data, and to analyze results to match their practical observations with theoretical knowledge.
Today I am going to explain PN junction diagram in forward bias. By using forward bias, how current will be changes if you increase the voltage. If you increase the voltage, how current will be changes in PN junction diagram.
Simulation and experiments make learning more interesting and fun. Biology lab is well equipped with preserved specimens, slides, models, and biovisual charts which emphasize on developing scientific temper among the students, performing experiment in an interesting task.
Yes, sir. These are some of the biological specimens. While showing it to the student, we just take these specimens and show them the characteristic features of that. For an example, this is a specimen of a plant which will be grown in a semi-arid regions, which is called as a xerophyte.
But when we come to the bony fish, only 4 pairs of the gill slits are present, and fertilization is external, where the fertilization is internal, we can say.
Our computer lab is well equipped and cyber safe with several configurations. The square configurations allow the teacher to monitor student activity. Projectors, printers, software, and a variety of peripherals like digital cameras and cam recorders are usually stored in computer labs. The formula of mathological intelligence is cracked in the number zone of MATLAB. This is a place where anybody can experiment and explore patterns and ideas. It is a place where one can find a collection of games, puzzles, and other teaching and learning material. The materials are meant to be used both by the students on their own and with their teacher to explore the world of mathematics, to discover, to learn, and to develop an interest in mathematics. To enhance English learning and communication skills, to build strong vocabulary, to develop phonetics, intonation, and modulation, we rig out our young learners to hone the skill of articulation and social grace to success their future, promoting their efficiency in English language. The splashes of color reverberate with the diversity and vividity of human emotion in the art room at the junior level. Individual styles and techniques get honed and displayed at the middle and senior school level. To ensure that the students have the best possible hygiene, we employ caretakers within the school. They meet the highest possible professional standards and maintain a highly efficient service. We build personal responsibilities along our side our high quality services. The drinking water supplied in our campus is treated in an in-house reverse osmosis water treatment to ensure safe infection-free living conditions. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. At our institution, we encourage a healthy balance of work and play. Students are encouraged to experience the challenge and reward of sports through diverse programs at the school level. Our sports department is managed by qualified and competent instructors who design a sports curriculum that improves mental strength, concentration, physical conditioning and coordination, strategic and tactical planning, and of course teamwork. Our playground is spread in an area of 13,144 square feet with badminton, tennis court, kho-kho, kabaddi, throwball and other required sports for the physical fitness of our young aspirants. We are undergoing maintenance work for the school ground. Due to the pandemic situation and heavy rainfall during the last few days, the required work could not be completed as scheduled.